Hey everyone, friends, on the Weller's channel today I'll show you how to stream on Kick or how to start streaming on Kick. So I've opened Kick. Here I created an account for myself and this is where our studio will be. Here it is right now in front of the screen. And to start streaming on it, we're going to need a streaming program. I use OBS. In my case, it's the most basic program, as you all know. I think many are already familiar with it. Well, you can install it through Steam or you can install it through the Microsoft Store. Just type in OBS here, yeah, and then open it and install. It's completely free. So next we need to add a scene here, yeah, add a display capture here and add, well, screen capture and audio capture. So then select the microphone you need. And then all that's left is to go to KIK, grab the stream URL and key, and copy the key. Right? Just like that. Then go to settings, click stream here, and select a service. Yeah, there's plenty of them here, of course. Not sure if KIK will be here, though. Well, maybe it will be. Nope, no KIK here. Then we'll have to add it manually. So click custom, enter the server here, type KIK, yeah, and paste the stream key here, then hit apply. Alright, so next we just need to configure our stream quality. For that, go to output here. Yeah, the output section. Here you'll choose same as mine. You can basically use these settings. Just select the process priority here and set the same settings as me. Full HD, Full HD. You can set it to 30 FPS or 60. If you're streaming something that's not very dynamic, then it's generally better to choose 30 because the quality will be better. Alright, click OK and hit the start streaming button. That's it. This was Wellers. See you everyone.